How to fix FPS drops in League of Legends. Experiencing FPS drops while playing League of Legends. In this tutorial I show you how to fix those lag spikes and improve your performance. So let's get started. First, make sure your system meets minimum requirements for League of Legends, or if your hardware is outdated, it might struggle to maintain a stable FPS, so check your CPU, RAM and GPU specs to ensure they're up to the task. You can lower your in-game graphics settings, so go to the video tab in the settings of the game, then lower the graphics quality, resolution and frame rate cap. Reducing these settings can significantly improve FPS performance. Update your graphics drivers, so go to your GPU manufacturer's website, Nvidia, AMD or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your graphics card, and this can fix compatibility issues and boost FPS. You have to close unnecessary programs running in the background that might be consuming resources, especially RAM, so go to your task manager using Ctrl+Shift+ESC and close any apps or processes that aren't needed while gaming. Now, disable VSync and motion blur, so in the video settings of League of Legends, make sure to disable VSync and motion blur. These settings can limit your FPS and cause input lag. Ensure your PC is set to high performance mode, so go to the control panel, power options and select high performance to ensure your system is using its full potential. Sometimes you might be required to place the charger before doing this. Now, try repairing game files, so open the League of Legends client, go to the settings and click on repair to check and fix any issues with the game files. And you can try to increase your virtual memory, so if you're running low on RAM, increase your virtual memory, go to control panel, system, advanced system settings, performance settings, virtual memory, and adjust the settings to allow more memory usage. And that's how you fix FPS drops in League of Legends. Follow these steps and your gameplay should become much smoother than before. Thanks for watching.